guys, so as you know, I recently made a video of my sister showing her collection, but my brother wants to show his collection, so let's get into that. Ignore my nails. So good. He has his own basket of squishies. This is actually gonna be so fun. So here's how it works. You show one and then I rate it out of 10.
This is my needle, but it's kind of fake, but it still feels like it, and it's sparkly.
Okay, let me try it. It's really hard, but it's really pretty.
Once you knee with it,
I'm sure,
to
and
normal.
it's really pretty. And from a distance, it's actually a convincing needle. So I'm gonna give it, since it's really hard, 5 out of 10. It is really good though. So I'll put that over here.
Okay, this is my dumpling. It's fake. It's like.
Hey, but
eyes
last
are
time my
ripping off.
sister, remember Lyra, my sister, her
yeah.
fake dumpling won that round because it's just so good. I'm gonna give this. It's really good and foamy, but it's really cold and it's really cute also, even though its face is coming off. An 8 out of 10.
Okay. Then this next rainbow fidget. You can
Ooh.
like make stuff out of it. It's really good.
That is good. When you show them, hold it out here so they can see. This is really good. That's cool. This does look like it would keep you very occupied for a long time. So I'm just gonna rate it 7 out of 10. Really good.
Next is my huge pickle.
Yes, we all have huge pickles. I have one, he has one, and my sister has one. Oh, and I see you still have this one.
And I found the tag.
Oh, you found the tag. It's real. See? Proof. I should have kept my tag. Okay. The pickle
RMS.
is really good. So 9 out of 10. 9 out of 10. But it is airy. But I wouldn't take the air out because it would lose its
This
shape.
is like my jumping frog.
Ooh, okay, let me try. That's actually really good. But it's not really squishy. 3 out of
like a
10.
fidget.
3 out of 10. It's still good though.
Okay, here is my super rare shark.
Is that the shark?
dumpling.
Can I? I'm not even gonna I don't have to ask. Oh my gosh, and RMS, yep, this one's real. Oh wow, look at it. See the shark in it? It's so good. And I love the cool sunglasses.
And its face is not ripping off.
I'm not gonna squish it too hard because I don't want it to pop. This one's really good though. I'm gonna give it an 8.5 out of 10. But I actually, you know what? I'm gonna give it a 7.5 because I definitely like the feeling of this one better. But that one is really cool. I like how that one looks
Now
better though.
here's my super gigantic cheese.
Yeah, we all have these cheeses. They're so good. We got them at Five Below. Do you still have the case or did you throw it away?
Oh, I still have the case to prove that it's real. RMS.
It's the real cheese. It's the real deal. It's so good. And I feel like yours is actually less airy than mine. I'm gonna give it 9.5 out of 10. Really good.
That's still pretty good. Okay. Next is my
Yes.
RMS stuff.
10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. Look at this,
And
guys.
I have its case.
To prove it.
And
Love
it's
it.
not even airy.
It's not even airy. Mine is so airy. How is yours not? Did you take the air out?
No.
Okay, I was like, did you actually take the air out? It's so good. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. I love the deck. It's so good. Like, look at this, guys.
Next is my 3D printed red shark.
I love 3D printed fidgets. It's definitely better than the Leapfrog, so I'm gonna give it 5 out of 10. It's really good. I love to like fidget with it.
Next is like my soccer ball.
Some foam squishies.
Foam squishy.
It's really hard, so I'm gonna give it a 2 out of 10. But it does look like soccer ball. I love it.
And then I have 2 more footballs.
Ooh, I like this football more than this one because it looks like a real football. But I have to group them together. So together, I'm gonna give it 5 out of 10, like the soccer ball.
Next is my butter.
Yes. I love butters. They're so good. Look at this ASMR, guys. They're slow rising. I'm gonna give it a 9.5 out of 10. Not as good as the duck. The duck's still my favorite, but it is really good.
Next is my slinky.
Yes, I love Slinkies. Okay, it is really good, and it is kind of crooked though. I'm gonna give it
My next
6 out of 10. It's really
last
good.
one's coming up. My 8-ball.
Let's ask you a question. Will they like and subscribe? Yes, this is yes. Oh, donations say yes. Hey, you gotta listen to the 8-ball. I'm gonna rate this 9.5 out of 10 since it said yes. But it is not a squishy. Will they like the
Still
video?
Like a fidget.
What does it say? It doesn't say anything.
Oh, let me do it.
Let's see. Say yes! It says yes! Yes! So, subscribe and like this video. So,
Bye.
my favorite is definitely the duck. The duck is our winner. But, close call for the duck and the butter. But, I love his squishy collection. And also, the box is so cute. I need to get a box for my squishies. Bye, guys!
Bye.